AQA Sample Paper Non-Calculator Question 7a. So we're now getting into longer and more complicated questions. This question's worth 5 marks, so we need to expect to be doing quite a lot of work to get all 5 marks. Let's look at the question. Lisa makes fudge and sells it on a market stall. Lisa makes fudge using these ingredients. We've got a list of all the ingredients and amounts. This makes enough fudge for 4 boxes. Lisa wants to make enough fudge for 48 boxes. She already has 1.4 kilograms of sugar. Sugar is sold in 1 kilogram bags. How many bags of sugar does she need to buy? So when you've got a long question, you want to scan through the information relatively quickly without getting too bogged down and focus on what you're being asked to work out. And we can see here that we're being asked to work out how much sugar she needs. So a lot of this information we're not going to need. It's the sugar we care about, not all of these ingredients. Okay, so what else do we know? We know how much this recipe makes, 4 boxes, and we know she wants to make more than that, 48 boxes. If we've got to make more than our recipe says, we need to multiply up all of our ingredients. How much do we need to multiply by? Well, that's about the difference between the number of boxes. Lisa wants to make 48 boxes. She's only got a recipe for 4, so we need to know how many lots of 4 there are in 48. 48 divided by 4 is 12. So we need 12 times as much stuff as are in our recipe. But we still only care about sugar, so we're going to ignore all of these and just focus on the sugar. 4 boxes needs 500 grams of sugar. We're going to need 12 times as much. 5 times 12 is 60. We're timesing by 500, so we've got to put 2 zeros on the end. So we know that for 48 boxes, she needs 6,000 grams of sugar. Have we answered the question? It's always worth checking back to see if you've actually answered what you've been asked. How many bags of sugar does she need to buy? So we know how many grams of sugar she needs for her recipe. So we've not got the answer yet. We also know she has 1.4 kilograms and sugar is sold in 1 kilogram bags. The measurements here are in kilograms. I've got an answer in grams. So the next thing I want is to get my answer in kilograms. How do I do that? Well, you should know that 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. When you're doing a test paper, it's worth writing facts like this down. You might just get a mark even if you do something wrong later on. So to convert grams to kilograms, I need to divide. An amount of kilograms is smaller than the same amount of grams. So I need to divide. So 6,000 grams is going to be equal to 6 kilograms. So we know that Lisa needs 6 kilograms for this recipe to make 48 boxes. We also know she's already got 1.4 kilograms, so she's not going to have to buy all 6 kilograms. How much does she have to buy? 6, take away what she's got. That gives us 4.6 kilograms that she needs. So, are we there yet? How many bags of sugar does she need to buy? No, we're not, because our answer is in kilograms, not in bags. So, each bag contains 1 kilogram. How many 1 kilogram bags do we need to get 4.6 kilograms of sugar? Well, 5 bags. That's our answer, 5 bags of sugar. And we're done.